I thought Nick DiGiovanni's chicken looked really good, so kind of wanted to give it a try, but it's really late, so I'm going to just do prep tonight, and then tomorrow I'll get the rest put together. Also, I got all the ingredients pinned in the comments, so check it out if you want to follow the recipe. So I'm going to make two kinds of chicken, Japanese fried chicken and Korean fried chicken. I learned this technique from Zach Choi. He does all of those ASMR videos, and this seems to do a really good job of just getting the flavor all inside the chicken. After letting them rest overnight, I'm just going to review the recipe real quick. I think we got to basically just warm up the oil and then kind of put everything together, season it, and make the Korean sauce, and they should be ready to eat. To be honest, I think you could use whatever oil you want, but I went with a duck fat just because it kind of looked cool, and I don't know, I've never tried it before, so we'll see how this tastes. Also, I found you're going to want to shake off the extra cornstarch because it's just going to burn in the oil, and it's a pain in the butt to try to, fish it out afterwards. Also, fair warning, it's probably going to smoke up your house if you cook with duck fat, so just make sure it's well ventilated. I was really happy with the way it turned out. It looks really good. I've never really fried with oil before. I've just baked chicken, but you can hear that crisp is really good. So let's just make the Korean sauce. It's pretty easy. It's just like some sesame oil, garlic, ginger, honey, and a little bit of gochujang. Once it's thick, you're just gonna toss the chicken and it's coated and good to go. So let's try it and ready each gotta go. It's really crispy and juicy, and the Japanese flavor is really good. And the Korean one has a nice little kick to it from that gochujang. Definitely a 4 out of 5. Let me know what I should try next. Thanks, guys.